nti sira ebedura na me ho odene konde ma hwe me petetakra me nimi mfi amedi etinde ye ntena ho ma obi nsɛ ade no yase kakyere no sa tro no odi ye no ne ye bɔ dawro panyini bia ntima nsɔre wan pipi mu anka sɛ aba ya braw 2012 na nado ye campaign bibi bia wieye dakro pe asema obi kwakan ye munkuma nwenafo munye sei na ndisifo the only message ai omode call 2012 campaign yes asem no MPP mpa ho asem enu ntise moto abama omo a womba wombe kunkuma ho wanu masem ya ye bibibia wie wanu masem de ye etena afie wanu masem momwa voice no ba akoma atiefo ntie ene babo videos e makoma yensa na mabisa questions mombo video number 1 mamintie mombo
election na yoko MPP lost that election in 2022 I repeat election na yoko 2024 MPP we lost the election in 2022 why all the way to tomato seller, Ghana for only 1 day.
We'll see if you deliver Ashanti region. I'm never going to forgive them. If you know the effort I put in to get numbers in Ashanti region, or
and only one Juba, Prophet Dr. Bendigo Invisible Teaching Hospital. For your spiritual healing, please come to Nsawamu Ureku Liberty House, where the hospital is located, or Kingdom of God Ministry International, or Twase. For further information, please contact the following numbers: 020-859-9576. Or
the net for 10 years still I me holding I met makasa. Namu wa 16 years ya. Wa hunso obi se ku na wonka ho asem wo asema. Ba me de ebia the next 10 years no mimi ni mfi amedi o. Mimi nim nti sira ebedura na me ho odene. Konde ma hwe me petetakra me ni mfi amedi. Etinde ye ntena ho ma obi nsɛ ade no. Yase kakyere no. Sa tro no odi ye no ne ye bɔ dawro panyini bia ntima nsɔre wan pipi mu anka sɛ aba ya braw 2012 na nado ye campaign bibi bia wieye dakro pe asema obi kwakan ye munkuma nwenafo munye sei na ndisifo the only message ai omode call 2012 campaign yes asem no MPP mpa ho asem enu ntise moto abama omo a wombe kunkuma ho wanu masem ya ye bibibia wie wanu masem de ye etena afie wanu masem momwa voice no ba akoma atiefo ntie ene babo videos e makoma yensa na mabisa questions mombo video number 1 mamintie mombo
election na yoko MPP lost that election in 2022 I repeat election na yoko 2024 MPP we lost the election in 2022 why all the way to tomato seller, Ghana for only 1 day. And my middle class for Agyapong, you 15 years, or my form 1 day. And my pension for or my form 1 day. And the time here, or my new black Ghana for you, or my generation of Montasa.
Sir, Obiati video way. Obi atemeboa ahwefo ne atiefo mate se MPP obi antie question na me bebisa no mani pada sani ntena kroma se o nyansa che na obi a o Hey, ye mu binim ye wo fie nyansa, ye wo suku nyansa, ye ko suku ria, wo mama ye certificate, ye nkwankwaso ho. Anka say ye ja akwa ye business. Ye gam se no mu twireti, nti na mu ja ne ho. Ye de ye kwa ye ko wie gi certificate no. Me be bisa question. Mo amuti social media say, "Aya be content. Ayi we me say, when dem pakwa meeting dey akọ 12 am o. Aya me amedi o." Huh? What about pon ko be tuma pon ko be pon 10? What you say? Obi say 2022 na MPP ye lusu yaba because Nanado ene baumia amasiri no I say and a debt exchange and in yakeka yate. Say 2022 na MPP lusu elections dia. That time ye lusu aba me only question we ano. 2022 na MPP lusu elections. Ye lusu that election no with candidate wine. Who was the presidential candidate in the year 2022 MPP lusu election? Who was the presidential candidate? Because you are claiming, say, MPP lost the election in 2022. Maybe a simple question, say, who was the presidential candidate in 2022? And if indeed MPP lost the election in 2022, with what margin? With what margin? See Lusu Abano 2022. Now one and presidential candidate Bonidini Lusu Aba 2022. Now margin saying any edi Lusu ye 2022 na baumia a presidential candidate yana. So why would you say we lost the election in 2022 dear? And Kojina being kase baumia a bad candidate in Timayam Fanenko elections. Because you are claiming, say, we lost the election in 2022. 2022, Baumia wasn't the presidential candidate. Come and tell us, say 2022, no, na Baumia a presidential candidate. Bakatre, Ema being traba being kasa o nyansa che obia. Brabekatre say in your own words, no, what say we lost the election in 2022. So tell us, who was the presidential candidate? The person lost that election with what margin? Two questions. Who was the presidential candidate? Tell us whether Baumia was the presidential candidate in 2022. As you claim the party lost the election in 2022. Tell us whether Baumia was the presidential candidate. Yano. Was the Baumia the presidential candidate in 2022? Senyor no dia. Obia ni right so obeka say Baumia lost the election in 2024 until 2028 Mayam Fanenko. Because the very person now Owakisu Baumia say Baumia lost the election in 2024. No a bad candidate, you know. Oxy we lost the election in 2022. I am asking you a simple question. We need answers from you. Who was the presidential candidate in 2022? We want to know who was the presidential candidate in 2022. And that person lost the election with what margin? Beyi no sounds we are saying answer no. We na ekita. Me na me sorry a. Me Jimmy for ntimi bisa Jimmy for questions. Because the 2022 na kasem MPP lost the election in 2022 because was Nanado amamuonye yate enti in 2022 no because Nanado there na nemra de enti nanka on siki re-election bia ti se ne ebinum pese yi enkrofo bi o mani brade no wo mo petetem because Ghana o mo kwa na o mo ho ofe wo mo ne sonwa nti o mo ne kotetem eyeye ndisi mu no ono ati nyansa ni bia ni ho e de so no kwa ne complaints eyeye yate. But in 2022 no Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo onko election bia. So if that was the case there, why na presidential candidate here or lose election in 2022? Bakachire brabe kachire owura nyansafo bakachire mayehu ehwo no woni answers bia wo ho nti say lusu aba no 2022 dia what it means is about me anya bad candidate enti mo amodi ba omi achi no questions no ne answers ne na media mamo no mo nkantire asuma sinkrofo no say or say NPP lost the elections in 2022. Who was the presidential candidate in 2022? Bawumia wasn't the presidential candidate in 2022. And if indeed we lost the election in 2022, we lost with what margin? He should be able to tell us. He should be able to tell us the exact margin. Any 2024 there. What it means about Bawumia? A good candidate. A BM Obi say Obi nam and our Katran Crawford say unity whereby the same person at the thing say one of their forgiveness a party on fante da on fante MPP for that near Kofuadia Yano Papa Kofuadia Yano mana ye MPP ni bia near Nanado dia Yano amana ye MPP ni bia no or say I am not going to forgive MPP and wound to me producer for that video no to so
now wound to me we'll see if you deliver Ashanti region. I'm never going to forgive them if you know the effort I put in to get numbers in Ashanti region. Or you know, yani a soldier for